Kosbare kind van God, hoor gou hier voor die verder scroll. Ek wil graag hierdie video, 'n spesifieke video met jou deel vandag. Dis soos 'n kort testimony van 'n baie goeie vriend van my wat onlangs in 'n ernstige fietsongeluk was. En ja, dis net amazing as jy die hele storie ken, maar selfs al ken jy nie die storie nie, kyk net en luister net. Luister mooi. Luister dit weer as jy moet oor die waarheid wat uit hierdie ou se lippe kom, oor sy lippe kom. En dis amazing. Kyk gou hierso.
Good morning, brothers. I just wanted to check in with you guys from Mediclinic here in Maritzburg this morning. Just wanted to share something. We've all got a lot going on in our lives. A lot of things we're worried about. A lot of us are facing month-end worried about budgets, salaries to pay, bills to pay, debit orders. Are we going to make it? But do we ever take time to really thank God for the little things? What I've learned in the past few days is that I've been taking way too much for granted. There were insignificant small things that I should be thanking God for that I've taken for granted for a long time. So that this morning, when you're going to church or you're going to do whatever you're going to do, have your breakfast, when you stand up and you walk to the shower and you go and have a shower, thank God for the ability to do that. When you go through to the kitchen and you make yourself a cup of coffee, thank God for the ability to do that. Because what I've learned in the past few days is that the small things, they're actually the big things. When you take the small thing away, it's actually a big thing. So yeah, go out today grateful for the small things, guys. Go out today grateful for the small things. The ability to move, drive, work. Just your physical ability is like... We walk around every day like it's ours. Let me tell you something. You don't have to be on a mountain bike trail to have it taken away from you. It can happen to you walking down the street, driving down the road. It can happen to you anywhere. It's nothing short of God's hand of grace and mercy on your life. It gives you ability every day. So I plead with you all to go out today and be grateful for the small things. Forget about the budgets and the money and the sales. The Bible says God will take care of tomorrow. Spend some time saying thank you for the little things, man. Because when they go, they're big things. And have a great day.
Is dit nie amazing nie? Soveel bemoediging en waarheid. So ek moet ook hier bylas dat daar's 'n Back a Buddy campaign vir Steven. Die link is in my bio. Onthou, elke R1 help. Elke R1 help. Daar's nie 'n mediese fonds nie. So elke R1 help. Hê 'n geseënde, God geseënde dag. Tot ons weer gesels. Totsiens.